Writing a literature review is an essential part of any research process because it summarizes existing studies and highlights gaps that your research aims to fill. The first step in writing a literature review is identifying the scope by defining the topic and understanding what you want to explore or argue. Researchers begin by collecting academic sources such as journal articles, books, and credible reports from databases like Google Scholar, Scopus, or PubMed. Once the sources are gathered, the next step is to read them critically rather than just summarizing. A good literature review does not list sources one by one. Instead, it organizes them thematically or chronologically to show how the research area has developed over time. For example, you can group studies that share similar findings, those that present contrasting results, or those that propose different theories. After grouping the studies, you should look for gaps, areas that previous researchers have not fully addressed, because these gaps justify your study's significance. Another key point is evaluating the quality of sources, ensuring they are peer-reviewed and up-to-date. Once themes and gaps are identified, the next step is synthesizing the information. This means combining ideas from multiple sources and presenting them in a way that shows the relationship between past research and your own study. When writing the review, start with an introduction that explains the purpose and scope of the review, then organize the main body by themes or trends, and end with a conclusion that summarizes the main insights and research gaps. Avoid copying entire ideas from sources. Instead, paraphrase in your own words and provide proper citations using the required referencing style such as APA or MLA. The literature review should be analytical, not descriptive, meaning you should explain how studies relate to each other and how they build the foundation for your research. Common mistakes to avoid include writing a list-like summary without analysis, ignoring contradictory evidence, and including irrelevant sources. The goal is to show that you have a deep understanding of the research topic and can position your work within the existing knowledge. Ultimately, a well-written literature review strengthens the credibility of your study and guides the development of your research objectives and methodology.